Welcome to Frogfoot Holler, y'all. I'm Michael. My nephew Colton is behind the camera, and we have new toys to play with today. Alright, so I've been kind of irritated at some of the quality of my videos that have been coming out, and well, it's just because I'm filming off of my phone, and I'm trying to figure out how to put out better quality videos, including the audio and including the bouncing of the camera sometimes. So I invested in what was called a gimbal. And the gimbal is made by Hohe, and it's called the iSteady X. And well, it's a stabilizer for your phone. So my nephew's going to be playing with that one today, and I'm going to be playing with the microphone. Now the microphone, I'm not sure how far the distance can be. I'm not sure anything about it, but it hooks wirelessly through Bluetooth to my phone. And well, today we're just going to have fun playing with our new toys. All right, so let's see what we can do with them. Alright guys, so we've been playing around with the gimbal some, and now I'm playing around with the microphone. I'm wanting to see how far it will go, well, without losing signal. So let's try this. We're going to keep walking backwards. Hopefully I won't run into anything. And well, if I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. But there again, if I do, I'll end up falling flat on my butt, and you're going to see a fat boy cake himself. Either which way, I don't think I'm really going to be any further than this away from the camera. If I am, I don't see how y'all going to see what I'm doing. So I'm betting, I'm hoping that I have good signal here. Let's find out. So we're going to put this gimbal to the test, and I'm going to have my nephew run towards me real quick, getting my nice pretty face in the picture to about right here. I know y'all are going to love that. All right, so we're going to do this in 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, that is really close, y'all. All right, so as y'all can see, that gimbal stayed really steady through that. And he was running over uneven ground. Now, he was about, I'd say 15, 20 feet away. So, I don't think I'm going to need him running towards me all that often, but hey, you never know. I might come up with something to make him do it. Alright, so we're going to take this thing for a ride through the woods on a four-wheeler and see what happens. right, guys. So y'all got to see a little bit of what the gimbal's capable of. I mean, good grief. My nephew actually rode through the woods and on our back road there on the four-wheeler, and it didn't even look like it hardly moved at all. I mean, he was going over some bumps and everything else, and it was just as purty as you please, y'all. Now, we've been having fun with the mic and with the gimbal today, and y'all seen what it looks like and what kind of rotation it's got on it. But we're coming into some storms here real soon, y'all, so we're going to cut this one out today. Now, we got our buckets and our firewood and, well, everything ready for the nice cold weather we got coming in. Now, it was 82 degrees, y'all, today, and we have a freeze warning out. Can you believe it? 82 degrees, and tonight we got a freeze warning. Man, only in the south, y'all. All right, this has been Michael with Frogfoot Holler. Y'all keep it froggy.